Social Science, Chapter 2, Soil Erosion and Soil Conservation. Let's start. Look at the picture below. Write the layer of the soil shown in the picture on your placards. Write any one factor that is responsible for carrying away the loose topsoil. Write your responses on your placards. What did you observe? Topsoil is the layer of the soil shown in the picture. Water or wind is responsible for carrying away the loose topsoil. Concept: soil erosion. When the topsoil becomes loose, it is carried away by wind and water. This process is known as soil erosion. Soil erosion is caused naturally by wind and water. However, it is increased by human activities such as deforestation, mining, and construction. Some causes of soil erosion are deforestation. The process of cutting down trees is known as deforestation. Human beings cut forests for building houses, dams, mining, and expanding cities. All these factors cause deforestation. Trees and plants hold the topsoil together with the help of their roots. Due to deforestation, the topsoil becomes loose and the soil is then easily blown away by wind or running water. Floods. Sometimes heavy rains cause the rivers to swell and overflow. This is called a flood. Flood water flows at a great speed and washes away the topsoil. This makes the soil infertile. In several cases, whole mountainsides can be washed away by rainwater. Landslides. Landslide is the sudden coming down of loose rocks and pebbles from mountains. Landslides occur as a result of loosening of soil in areas that do not have good vegetation or tree cover. To prevent landslides, more and more trees should be planted on the slopes of the mountains. Soil is an important resource for all living organisms, such as plants, animals, and human beings. That is why we must save or conserve it. Few ways to conserve soil. Number 1. By planting trees. Soils that do not have good vegetation cover are highly prone to erosion. Roots of trees and plants hold the soil together and prevent soil erosion. Plants, trees, and bushes also act as barriers against the speed of wind and prevent it from blowing away the topsoil. Number 2. By terrace farming. Terrace farming is also known as step farming. In this type of farming, steps are cut out on the hill slopes. Farming is practiced on these steps. This is done to prevent the soil from flowing down easily with the rain water. Number 3. By building embankments. Embankments along rivers prevent the river water from overflowing the banks and taking away the topsoil. Let's take some examples. Raise your hand if the soils shown in the picture are different. Soils are diverse and differ from area to area. Let's see the concept. The main type of soils found in India are: number 1, the mountain soil. Number 2, the laterite soil. Number 3, red soil. Number 4, desert soil. Number 5, alluvial soil. Number 6, black soil. Number 1, mountain soil. Mountain soil or forest soil is rich in humus. This type of soil is mainly found on mountain slopes of Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, and northeastern Himalayas. This soil is favorable for growing fruits such as apple, pear, peach, and plum. Number 2, the laterite soil. Laterite soil is mainly found in hotter areas which receive high rainfall. This type of soil is found in Western Ghats and parts of Tamil Nadu. This soil is porous and therefore retains good amount of water. This soil is rusty red in appearance. Coffee, rubber, coconut, tea and spices are grown in this soil. Number 3, red soil. Red soil is mainly found in Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. This soil is not very fertile but can be made fertile by adding manure. It is favorable for crops like Bengal gram, green gram, castor seed, etc. Number 4, desert soil. Desert soil is sandy and therefore cannot hold much water. It is light brown in color. This soil is found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. The soil is not very fertile. Crops that need less water like barley and millet are grown in desert soil. Number 5, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil comes from the silt or alluvium that washes down with the rivers. Alluvial soil is very fertile. It is found mainly in the northern and coastal plains of India. Crops such as rice, wheat, maize, sugarcane, oilseeds and vegetables grow well in this soil. Number 6, soil. Number 6, black soil. Black soil has a high ability to retain moisture. Black soil is best suited for cotton crop. Farmers grow cotton, groundnut, millets, oilseeds, rice and wheat in black soil. In India, black soil is found in the Deccan region covering the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Let's see some examples. Let's quickly check our understanding of the concepts learned today. Attempt the following by unjumble the jumbled names of the type of soils and write your responses on the placard. Let us now attempt some questions related to the concepts. Guess the soil type by reading the clues. Write your responses on your placard. Number 1. Found on mountain slopes. Number 2. Does not retain moisture. Number 3. High ability to retain moisture. Number 4. Comes from the silt that washes down into the rivers. Number 5. Not very fertile but can be made fertile by adding manure. Let us now see how many correct responses we got. Found on mountain slopes, mountain soil. Does not retain moisture, desert soil. High ability to retain moisture, black soil. Comes from the silt that washes down into the rivers, alluvial soil. Not very fertile but can be made fertile by adding manure, red soil.